Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Black Souls 2 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, Steam users click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that, click on the Windows icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Now after that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on the game, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. If the problem still occurs, come back, remove this and move to the next solution. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows, search over here. Now search for device manager. Search for device manager. Now open it. Here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that, again go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then click on apply and OK and launch the game. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, now remove the selection of all these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next solution. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here. Now click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once done, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then click on switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to go below and under process tab you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select them. Now after selecting, right click on it, click on end task and then try to play the game and check whether it's launching or not. If not, next is to allow the game through Firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Here click on Firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through Firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game. If you cannot find the game over here, now click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates and here you have to click on check for updates option and this will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. You can easily copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. Here you have to click on the link. After the link is downloaded, open it and here you will get either install or repair option. So click on repair option and wait for some time unless you get a setup successful message. So here the message is, you have to close this. After this, you have to restart your PC once. After restarting, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues because somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if it is suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable the antivirus program and then check whether it's working or not. Next solution is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list. Now click on the arrow icon, and the GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting this, launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve, then the final solution is to reinstall Black Souls 2 game. For that, go to the Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse and then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and now reinstall Black Souls 2 game once again. And after it is installed, click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.